Hello. First thing I should say, this does void your warranty if you do this, but do it at your own risk. To get into the graphics card, you must remove these 4 screws, then these 2, and that's it, and the whole top just comes off. Well, this is the heatsink removed from a GTX 1060, 6 gigs of VRAM. I've already cleaned off the old thermal paste and applied the new stuff. Now you might be wondering, what is this pink stuff? Well, it's their new thermal paste, so I'm giving it a shot. Hopefully it's good. I know it's kind of a weird color, but hey, if it works, it works.